Unit 1. Socializing. Part A. Small talk. 1. Warm-ups. B. Listening. Listen to the short passage about small talk.
Small talk is considered a friendly conversation between two persons about non-personal everyday occurrences. For example, two strangers in a supermarket queue may talk about a product they both happen to be buying. However, asking personal questions is taboo in a small talk conversation. Small talk tends to help people break the silence in an atmosphere involving close proximity. Small talk helps people relax more. The simple act of saying a few words to one another creates a slight trust and raises everyone's spirits.
2. Listening and speaking. A. Model dialogue. Listen as the teacher reads the model dialogue. Scenario. Two employees from a large business firm are attending a company dinner in New York City. I know this is none of my business, but when did you start working for the firm?
That's all right. I started 4 years ago at the Texas office.
What do you think of our new CEO?
He seems to be revising our budget with good sense. I just love this ice sculpture.
It's sublime. When was the last time you were in NYC?
Oh, gosh. I think it was when I was in high school. How about you?
I've been living here for quite a while, 16 years. There's nothing like NYC.
Please don't take this the wrong way, but are you here alone?
Yes, I am. My wife couldn't make it due to another commitment.
Oh, I see. I've just noticed a coworker from Texas. I'm going to say hi to her. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Have a great night. 4. Reading and discussions. Small talk. Americans often have short conversations, called small talk, with strangers they meet. Such chats occur at bus stops, on buses, in elevators, while waiting in line, almost anywhere that strangers gather close together. These short verbal exchanges are a way to say hello and express friendliness. They usually cover a broad range of topics. These may include weather, customer service, movies, TV shows, or consumer products. Personal questions about money, family, religious beliefs, and politics are off limits during these conversations. It's best to ask open-ended questions. If you ask visitors whether they like your city, they may say simply, yes. But if you ask, what do you think of our city? They will have more freedom in answering. This type of question also shows that you are interested in their opinion. If you appear interested in what people are saying, they feel more comfortable talking with you. Americans end many conversations with the phrase, have a nice day, or have a good day. Store clerks often say this to customers after purchases are made. It might sound insincere, but studies have shown that it makes many people feel better. People get a sense that others care about them, rather than ignoring them. The American greeting, how are you, has a similar effect. The questioner may not really care about the answer, but simply asking the question often raises the other person's spirits. Part B. Invitations. 1. Warm-ups. A. Listening. Listen to the following conversation. Scenario. Harry and his female friend Chloe meet at a party.
Harry, it's good to see you again. I didn't know you'd be here.
Hello, Chloe. Wow, that looks good on you.
Thanks. It's kind of you to say so.
Chloe, I must admit I've never met the host before.
Don't worry. Jonathan is very kind and friendly.
Thank you for your concern. Where is he?
He's the tall man at the bar. Go and introduce yourself.
I will. I hope to see you again later.
Sorry, it's time for me to call it a night. Let's have lunch tomorrow.
Too bad. Okay, I'll call tomorrow morning about lunch. B. Dictation. Fill in the blanks as you listen to the dialogue again.
Harry, it's good to see you again. I didn't know you'd be here.
Hello, Chloe. Wow, that looks good on you.
Thanks. It's kind of you to say so.
Chloe, I must admit I've never met the host before.
Don't worry. Jonathan is very kind and friendly.
Thank you for your concern. Where is he?
He's the tall man at the bar. Go and introduce yourself.
I will. I hope to see you again later.
Sorry, it's time for me to call it a night. Let's have lunch tomorrow.
Too bad. Okay, I'll call tomorrow morning about lunch. 2. Listening and speaking. A. Model dialogue. Listen as the teacher reads the model dialogue. Scenario. Katrina and Axel, her male friend, are talking on the phone.
Hello, Axel. Were you invited to the art museum opening?
Yes, Katrina. I have some paintings on display there.
That's great. You can meet a lot of important people.
Katrina, you know I'm awkward around strangers.
Axel, this could really help your career.
I know. Will you be there?
Yes, I will. Just come and try to enjoy it.
Okay. I must admit, it will be good to see you again.
You too. But I can't decide what to wear.
Your dark green evening gown really looks good on you.
Thank you. That's a good idea.
What time shall we meet?
How about 7:30 at the door on State Street?
That sounds good, Katrina.
Promise me you will meet 10 new people before you call it a night.
Thank you for your concern. I promise. See you soon. 4. Reading and discussions. Invitation and reply.
2. Mike Charles. You are cordially invited to attend the official retirement of Mr. Kevin Dugas, CEO of Lighthouse Publishing. Mr. Dugas is retiring after 35 years in the business. As one of Lighthouse's most respected clients, we would be delighted if you could join us in saying goodbye to Mr. Dugas, who, as the founder of our company, an award-winning businessman, and a regular on the factory floor, will be greatly missed. Please RSVP by returning the enclosed reply card to Stellar Davis by August 25th. We hope to have the pleasure of your company.
From Mike Charles. Thank you so much for the invitation. I'd love to go, but I'm afraid I won't be able to make it. Mike Brothers are opening their first overseas branch the Friday before, and so I'll be in Seoul to oversee things. I won't be getting back to Seattle until the 7th, and then I'll have to fly straight back to the head office in New York. I suppose I'll just have to send him a card. I'm sure that Kevin will have plenty of interesting stories to tell and many hilarious anecdotes to share. Too bad I'll miss it all. I hope you get a good crowd to send him off. Thanks again for the invitation. Unit 2. Appearances. Part A. Describing appearances. 1. Warm-ups. B. Listening. Listen to the short passage about describing appearances.
There is more than one way to describe appearances. Describing appearances is not limited to the physical. For instance, you can describe someone by comparing them to one of their friends or one of their relatives. Furthermore, you can describe a person's character positively or negatively. Be aware of the words you choose to describe someone because they may be offensive if used inappropriately.
2. Listening and speaking. A. Model dialogue. Listen as the teacher reads the model dialogue. Scenario. Julio goes to the hospital to see a doctor.
You look white as a ghost. What seems to be the problem?
Well, Doc, I met a girl last night that was dressed to kill.
Go on.
Yeah, well, we spent the night together. I woke up this morning with a terrible pain in my neck and I'm very dehydrated.
Let me take a look. Does it hurt when I do this?
Yes, a little.
How did this girl come across to you?
Nothing unusual. Two